Today I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. The video today is an example. So the first thing you want to do is go on Google and type in buybitcoinworldwide.com. Once you've done that, you shall see a country. Click country and look for Ghana. The easiest way to find Ghana is to click the search and type it in. Under Ghana, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for cash. Once you've done that, it should pop up. We found 3 Bitcoin exchanges in Ghana that accepts cash. The companies that accepts cash in Ghana is local Bitcoin ATMs, Muslim local trader, and that's all. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more or get more information about Bitcoin, go down to the link down below, which is the blog or the We Use Coins website. And remember, I'll see you on my next video.